You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Welcome to my live stream. Well, again, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. So let's start, okay? Bitcoin technical analysis in 1-day chart and also 4-hour chart. Okay, first of all, here yesterday in 1-day chart, we were here, Bitcoin are 34, 23, $22,000, 24, sorry, $1,000. And around here, well, you know my projection, and it's the same as yesterday because I will not change the projection because this projection is for the next 10 days. So you are thinking to buy here because Bitcoin is going to the moon. Well, I know maybe you can keep writing on my YouTube in the comments. Yes, I know you're wrong, but let's see. Okay, let's talk about it in 1 week. Okay, this is to the downside, and that's it. Why? Because the trend is my friend, and the trend is to the downside. Okay, I am not saying Bitcoin is gonna crash to 14k, 10k, of course not, but Bitcoin in some point is gonna test this area, right? Around 20k, 21k, around this area. Let me tell you something. If Bitcoin breaks this area, get ready. Because you will see lower prices. But for now, everything is looking better right now for Bitcoin. So let me recap. So here is to the downside. Yeah. So, and you are right. It's actually a bull trap. Here, people, people who are new in the markets right now, the bottom is in because some indicators that said, oh yeah, the bottom is in because that indicator in the past said the bottom is in. Well, good luck. Okay. So my prediction is to the downside, and it's gonna be like that. Now, you want to listen something more bullish? Yeah, of course. Let me tell you something. If Bitcoin breaks the MI55, come here, and after that owns the support here, yes, that is the pattern I will start looking for reversal in 1-day time frame. But honestly, I don't think so. Usually, this kind of Bitcoin doesn't have enough time to do this. So let me show you here. Yeah, time is not enough for doing this. Yeah, it's just about time. I'm expecting Bitcoin is exactly doing the same thing as I think April 2022. So just be careful because the projection in 1-day chart is like that. Now let's talk about the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is in short term. I was expecting outer leg up. Remember, before we were here, yeah, in here, yes, and I said, technically speaking, we have various divergence here, yes, but the momentum is still strong, so I'm expecting outer leg up. Yeah, so as you can see here right now, Bitcoin is well, we have this leg up right now here, and what's next? Well, if you're looking for shorts, no thank you. If you're looking for longs, well, if you are in 1-minute chart, maybe yes, but at least in 4-hour chart, no. So what I'm going to do right now today, nothing. I will not short, I will not long, just I will wait for the setup to show in the next setup here. So right now here, Bitcoin is here in this area, and I know something is working for someone, right? The triangle, the rectangle, or something like this, something like some of them, something like something like this, right? Something like this. I don't know. Yeah. So be careful with this, okay? This is a corrective move in a very healthy downtrend, okay? And I need to remind you, weekly chart is in downtrend, okay? So you are thinking here is the next bull run. Well, I don't think so. I respect maybe your opinion, but no. You want to go all in 100% right now. I think it's not the best idea right now. So if you are in the private channels, maybe you are right now in profit because we were looking for this move in macro scale, macro timeframes. So my suggestion for you, if you are in profit right now, is you have two options. If you see right now Bitcoin actually is testing this area, yeah, and you are in profit, you have two options. Or just you protect your entry, yeah, because maybe I am wrong, and maybe from here to the moon, right, 100k, or you take profits. also with altcoins, right? Some altcoins, maybe they are the same thing. It doesn't matter if you have a beautiful setup in altcoins. If Bitcoin crash, everything is gonna crash. Okay, so the projection in in 4 hour chart. Let me just recap here. In 4 hour chart, there is no setup right now, at least with my system of trading. There is nothing to do right now. There is no short, no longs, nothing. Okay, so in 1 day chart is this. Yeah, the projection same as yesterday. I think that's it. Yeah. And one thing here, I want to show you something very important. Bitcoin between the 34. Well, after this, well, now I want to continue with the live stream. Yeah, because remember, I just always want the chart and 4 hour chart because, well, they are part of the short videos, right? So now let's talk about my system and how to trade with this. Okay, first of all, here Bitcoin actually is above this point, right? Remember this point here, this point, and this point. Okay. Okay, remember, OBB is still in negative territory. Okay, there is no volume. Okay, that is the thing I'm trying to say. There is no volume. Now, if Bitcoin is getting rejected, for example, this week, yeah, in some point around here, closing here, you will see a wonderful hidden bearish divergence from this point and this point and this point and this point, and after that you will see continuation around there. 20k, $20,000 is the area I will start looking for, and that area must hold because any close below here you will see there is nothing to stop Bitcoin to crash. Something like this, right? Something like this. Yeah. Any close below 20k, I will say right now, you will see 19k will not hold anymore, and you will see this leg down. Now, there is something like it's very important. We have 10 days for this setup. Let me show you here the monthly. The monthly is about to test the MA55, exactly the same level as the MA55 in 1 day chart, right? So any close, any rejection in 1 day chart, that actually that is my expectation. Honestly, I'm expecting that. Yeah, I'm expecting that rejection it will come. Why? Because we still have sell pressure in monthly. Yeah. This is gonna be the first time Bitcoin, DMI55, instead of acting as support, is gonna react as resistance. Okay, that's why, as I said before, it's not very smart to enter right now in long position, at least at this price, without confirmation. So what I want to see right now is in the next 10 days, honestly, I want to be wrong with my technical analysis. I want to see Bitcoin at 27k, 27, 28, $30,000 if you want. Why? Because this candle in the monthly is going to close like this. Imagine like this, green candle like this. And here, my friend, yes, I can tell you, right? Okay, yeah, bear trap in the low was 19, 20k, and it's going to be in sideways, and potentially you will see maybe 35 or 40k. Yeah, but we have to wait 10 days. So honestly, this scenario for me is very complicated. Why? Because the sell pressure is still on in higher macro time frames. So weekly chart, yeah, is looking much better right now here. As you can see here, is flashing here potentially a warning, a buy signal, a bounce signal here, bounce signal. So if we see this next week, yeah, well, we will, after the pullback in 1 day chart, something like this. Imagine this is the pullback in 1 day chart. In some point, Bitcoin has around 3 months from now, well, for the next week, starting in August, to see a test around 27k, 26k, around there. And after that, yes, this is gonna be a corrective move in weekly chart to what? Keep falling. Okay. So please, if you are thinking the bull market is here and to the moon, 100k, blah blah blah, you need to study. Okay. So right now here for Bitcoin, as I said before, and let me see in 12-hour chart, right now today is still strong. Don't get me wrong. In 4 hour chart, yes. In 1 day chart is not that strong. Why? Because let me show you something. Okay. I'm gonna start with this. I know some people in the comments, they are, oh, please, please, to the moon. Sorry, maybe you need to watch other YouTubers. Maybe I'm in crypto, right? To the moon always. To the moon, right? Okay, let me show you here. That is a setup I'm looking for in 1 day chart. Okay, if we study the past, Always, always, always we have to study the past. The last setup here, well, remember, here, Bitcoin was, I said, time is over, yeah, and I said the same thing right now, right? After that, yeah, we saw this drop, same as before, like right now, and after that, Bitcoin again try to test the ME55. Let me do it more quickly here. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Yes, other test. And after that, I said, okay, get ready. Why? Because the ADX is very low. Yeah. And Bitcoin is trying to test the ME55 again. And look at this. Watch the ADX. The ADX is almost very close to the 23 level. So that means this move, all this move, is not strong. Okay. And what happened? Bitcoin even couldn't test the ME55 here. And after that, the sell signal here. But watch ADX. Watch the ADX. The signal present here, yes, and the ADX turning positive here, turning positive, yeah. With this signal here, the projection, it was like this, and now even it's worse, like this. Okay. Remember this pattern, okay? Remember this pattern. Watch this pattern. And now tell me, what do you see today? What do you see today? Bitcoin testing ME55. Okay. No time here. If the curve is turning negative here, and also the ADX is turning positive here, what do you think is going to happen? 100K, right? Okay. I hope this explanation is clear what I'm trying to say. Okay. That's why, careful. I bought, yes, in a spot, altcoins, Bitcoin, but I manage my risk. How I manage my risk, at least I am protecting my entries, because if I am wrong and Bitcoin hit to the moon and Bitcoin to 100K, perfect. I will be very happy because I am in the market right now. Yeah. But if I am correct with this technical analysis, well, there is a very high probability I will get stopped. Maybe. That's why we have two choices. Or we take profits, or we just protect our entries. Okay? So be careful with this. Remember, in this channel, we are studying, okay? We are studying. In this channel, you will never hear from me, oh yeah, Bitcoin to $1 million. No, never. Always I will be realistic with my technical analysis. And if I am wrong, if I take losses, I will tell you. Yeah? So right now here, the projection, looking for this setup here. If we see this setup maybe this week, by the end of the week, I think around, I don't know, maybe in the next 3 or 4 days, maybe we'll start looking for something like this. I want to start looking for shorts, not today, tomorrow, I think. I am, let me tell you something. I said this in my private channels. Let the newbies all buy here because they think to the moon and they think they are missing something, right? The newbies will buy here as usual. So after here, that is the thing I am looking for. If Bitcoin, actually, this is the bottom, and this is the bottom of all this bear market, yeah, this area must hold. This area, yeah. I want to see Bitcoin holding this area, yeah, like this, holding. And after the sell signal here, the next buy signal here, yes, my friend, there, here in the future, yes, to the moon. Yeah, I will be extremely bullish here because Bitcoin actually is showing us right now, actually this area is the support. Okay. So I hope with this explanation is more clear for you. If you are watching, yeah, because as I said, many people nowadays say, I saw one guy on Twitter said, no, you don't understand. This is a falling wedge, right? You will see all Twitter bullish, all the people here. It's very interesting, right? Because when they are bullish, This is my falling wedge here. Sorry, this one, something like he was doing something like this. And suddenly he said, this one is a second falling wedge, you see? So Bitcoin to the moon like this. And I cannot imagine, I cannot believe, sorry, I don't know how they can get like 200,000 followers doing this garbage. Oh, okay, sometimes, I don't know. I don't understand. Okay, so let's talk about right now the OBB. OBB is doing something very good. I need to be very honest with you. I like this. I really like this. It's forming a basement. Okay. But we are very, very, very far away from the bull market. I explained that yesterday. If you want to see a bull market like 2020, well, you can do it. Yes, with OBB. Of course, with that is my personal way to see the bull markets. Historically speaking, every time when you see OBB breaking the ME55 in weekly basis, you will have your massive bull market. You see? Massive bull market. Here, yeah, all this. Here, all this. You see? Historically speaking, every time. Why? Because remember, OBB is the volume must follow the price. So just pay attention. The gap is massive right now. The massive is massive right now. The gap. Okay, so that's why I think oh maybe we are this is not the bottom. Maybe it's just a corrective bounce, and eventually in November we will see the bottom of this market. So if I am projecting this, let me do this for example, something like this. Maybe in February, March 2023, we will see something like that. Okay, so one thing here is the USD dominance. So let's talk about the USD dominance because it's very important. It's showing something very important right now. USD dominance. Well, the projection is to the downside. Yes, here we have the warning signal here. It's not yet, but my concern here is dropping too fast and it's gonna test the ME21 in weekly chart. In a very strong markets, you will see always the ME21 defending. It's gonna be tested and also it's gonna hold and you will see a reaction. So that's why I am looking for actually this pullback for Bitcoin or maybe continuation to the downside. And here, this could be a very easily could be a fake out. Okay, so this weekend, if I see ADA, this asset confirming the sell signal here in ADX, yes, I will be automatically bullish for Bitcoin. The next pullback is, I will say that pullback is gonna be the buy. Okay, so if you want to test, actually you can do it with your own trading view because maybe you will say, no, this guy is crazy. Every time when you see the setup here in use the dominance, well, what we can expect. Okay, so be careful here. You see, every time when you see this, you will see corrections, 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 and corrections. You see? So we are gonna get this confirmation, I think, next week, August, September. If we have this confirmation, potentially August, maybe at least just August, it's gonna be green for the markets, and you will see many altcoins in corrective bounces. Okay, that's it. No more than that. Just bounces. That's it. So let's talk about now about altcoins. If you want me to check altcoins, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna start with Ethereum because people they are asking about Ethereum. And let me tell you something. In weekly chart is looking very constructive here. It's very constructive. And this is something I want to see for Bitcoin. This is looking more healthy, you see, more like accumulation. Yes, it's very far away from the bull market. This is just a corrective move. So let me be clear. Something like this, very close to the ME21, and after that continuation to the downside. Okay, this is a corrective move. You are buying because the merge, the blah blah blah, newbie. Always you're following the news and this kind of things, always you're gonna get wrecked because always you are gonna buy in the worst moment when the move already happened. If you want to buy, you have to buy before of that move. So in 1 day chart here, let me show you. Here you said, but it's breaking the ME55. No, my friend, it's not breaking the ME55. Okay, it's about the ME55, but it's not breaking. Here, no thank you, no thank you. I know maybe you will not like it, yeah, but when I'm gonna be bullish on Ethereum is very simple. If Ethereum breaks this area, comes here, and tests the ME55 here, yes, here, with a buy signal, of course, in my system, this is gonna be reversal in 1-day chart. Honestly, I don't think Ethereum is gonna reverse the trend, not yet, yeah, especially with Bitcoin like that. And also there is no time here, yeah. So if you are at $1,000 and you're thinking to the moon, perfect, no problem. At least manage your risk and protect your entry. Okay, for example, you are at 1,200, something like that, or 1,100. Protect your entry, because if this asset breaks here, you will not lose anything. Maybe you will not make profits, but the most important thing here is you will take care of your capital. That is the most important thing in trading. Okay, how you can trade if you don't have capital? Tell me. Okay. Okay, so let's continue with other markets. Yeah, let me show you here the USD dominance, because it's doing something very interesting right now here. Something like we never seen before, at least in all the historical data here. This is the longest period for Bitcoin in the consolidation phase here. So in the moment, maybe this year, maybe by the end of this year, if this area breaks, you will see something we never seen before, because this consolidation phase, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin tests this area and also break in this area in some point. So honestly, I was expecting this user dominance will start expanding right now, but no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Usually, now we have the signal right now in weekly chart, so maybe more sideways here. We need to be ready for this. Maybe in November, maybe is the time when I'm gonna start looking for again, watching this channel, this chart. Okay, so let's continue with some altcoins if you want. Okay, someone asked me about BNB. Cardano last night. Okay, Cardano, I said before, okay, if 0.40 breaks, well, you can expect a leg down. I'm still looking for that. I'll need to be honest with you. I am still looking for that. But, well, remember, nothing breaks just like to zero, like Luna, right? So you see the bounces here, and after that, continuation. So this is a corrective move in the context of a downtrending weekly chart, and after that, continuation. Okay. So let me show you here. ADX is still positive here. We don't have buy signal, we have bullish divergence here. If you are trading right now, Cardano is just a corrective move. That's it. No more than that. Okay. So 1-day chart here. Yeah, testing the ME55 here in a very beautiful, wonderful downtrend here. Well, you want to see Cardano bullish? Yes. Breaking here, testing this area. Yes, a support here, and after that, yes, to the moon. $5 for Cardano. Okay. You want. Yeah. So, but not yet. So here, this is, we have 1, 2, 3 bullish divergence here. It's looking good. Yes, it has a possibility. Maybe yes. But as I said before, if you are in profit right now here for Cardano, just protect your entry. Protect your entry, and that's it. You will not lose anything. Okay. Some people also ask me about BNB. BNB, I bought BNB at 230, around there. I am looking for this area, around 270, 80, around there, and that's it, no more than that. Okay. Here, what I did, I protected my entry here, and here I'm gonna just close everything. I don't care if you are thinking BNB to $500 because it's very common, right? No thanks. From here, this area, my friend, this like this. Okay. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins, because as I said, people, they are asking me right now in the private groups. Okay, let me see. Other guy asked me about XRP. Okay. XRP testing the 55 here. Technically, in the macro, it depends on your goals, right? In the macro scale, this is the low. You are in the lows, right? Actually, the lows are around 0.27, 0.25, but makes sense for me to start accumulating here. For some reason, you are bullish here, right? But it's testing the 55 here, same as Cardano. You want to buy here, you don't buy here. You buy after the test here, because here is gonna be the time, my friend. Time is different. Here was resistance. Here is gonna be support. And here, yes, to the moon. XRP to, I don't know, $5 you want. I don't know. Okay, so let me see the weekly chart for XRP. Corrective move. It's exactly the same as other altcoins. This is gonna be corrective move. Maximum maybe I will say maybe 0.48 in the next month, maybe, if we see this as the buy signal for Bitcoin. In a corrective move, everything is gonna do the same thing. Corrective move here, people here, we are in a bull market, and after that, to the moon, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Let me see. Okay, one moment. It's because I'm checking here also because people, they are asking also in the Discord. Solana is one of the coins I was looking for months. I bought Solana around 35, 36, around there. And right now I am looking for 50, no more than that. Actually, this level right now. Why? Because, well, the target should be always is gonna be around the MA55 here. If you wanna buy Solana right now, I think it's the worst moment you can buy right now here. You have to wait for the pullback here. And if Solana managed to hold 40, 37 around there, yes. Here is resistance, here is gonna be support, and after that, yes, continuation. I am bullish on Solana, yes. Is the only asset actually I use it for development, and I really like it. So I am a technical trader, but Solana is the only one actually I found like has potential to do something very interesting here. Be careful with Solana because it's building better divergence in one day chart. So any close below the MA55, you will see full rejection all the way down to 0.35. Yeah. And actually, after this live stream, I think maybe I will close my position with Solana. Okay. Remember, this is one day chart. Okay. Weekly chart is very good. It's looking constructive actually. Let me show you here. Yeah. Solana is looking like in the next 2-3 months. Yes. This is the buy signal. Potentially Solana after the pullback I said maybe next week, maybe in August, you will see Solana around maybe 75 or 80. That is my expectation for Solana, of course, in the long term, 2-3 months. Okay, so let's continue with other coins. Yeah, DOT. Let me see. DOT is something also I bought. I think last week. The target should be around $8, $9, around there. As you can see here, very close there to MA55. All of them in a corrective move. All of them, you realize all of them, they are testing MA55, and now you want to buy. No, this is here, no thank you. Wait for the pullback, yeah, or reversal, and after that, to the money you want, okay? I think that's it for altcoins. Let's talk about the stock market, SP 500. Let me see. SP 500. This in the MA55 here. Perfect, okay. No thank you, it's not with me. Let me see the, okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, better divergence right now is forming. Yeah, right now here. The ADX is very weak right now here. So I cannot trust in this move. So if you are thinking right now here's to the moon like this, maybe you're right. But I have a system, and this system is saying it's like this. Okay, same as before. So it's testing 55 here. No thank you. Every time when it's testing this one, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. You see? You want to see reversal? It's very easy. Same principle as the others. Yeah. Breaking this level, testing this area. Yeah. As new support. Here, now is resistance. In the future, it could be support, right? That's the theory. And after that, yes, to the moon, 4,400 you want, okay? But for now, is resistance. Not yet. I mean, I think I'm expecting actually the pullback. Now, let's talk about the weekly chart, because weekly chart is showing something very interesting for this asset. Next week, we're going to have the bounce signal here. Yes. Remember, one day chart projection is a pullback. Yeah. Maybe in the new lows. Yeah. But pullback. And after that pullback, potentially we will see more continuation to the downside, to the upside, sorry. Here in weekly chart, if this we have this confirmation next week, August or maybe September, you will see like this, right? SP500 is gonna test the MA55 here, yeah, and in a corrective move to the downside. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it for all the market. Yeah, if you're in profit, congratulations. Yeah, just manage your risk. Okay. recap for Bitcoin in 4-hour chart. Let me show you here in 4-hour chart. Here, Bitcoin today, right now, even in 4-hour chart, is still strong. If you're looking for shorts, no setup. There is no setup here. Actually, honestly, I am looking for maybe other leg up here. Maybe a little bit more, around $24,000, around here, this area. Where is the ME55 actually? I want to see a real test. And here, I need to be honest, I will start looking for, in this yellow box, I'm going to start looking for shorts. Why? Because this overextended here, and you will see potentially continuation to the downside. So, but it's going to take time. I am not rushing, okay? Today, I am not trading, actually. Just yesterday, I didn't. No, actually, no, because I am in spot. So I'm waiting. This is for futures. You are trading futures. You have to wait a little bit more if you want to short. Makes sense to start looking for shorts? Yes, yes, totally. I agree with you. Yeah, here is not for longs. This is for shorts. Okay. I think that's it, my friends. That's it. Okay, let me see the comments. Local guide. Yes, you are correct. Sellers. My short is about to get liquidated. Okay, okay. I don't know your position. I don't know your risk management. I don't know exactly. Yeah. But if I am correct with this, maybe you will, at least maybe you will be safe because I'm expecting this leg down. You will have to be patient. Okay. So you are gonna about to get liquidated here. I think you have a problem with your leverage. Yeah. Because in my case, always I use 3x, maximum 5x, and that's it. No more than that. No more than that. Okay. Bebo, it's gonna drill. I hope so. I hope so. Maybe not now. Maybe in September. Maybe in October, November. Yeah, around there, maybe we'll see the real low for Bitcoin, or maybe this is the low. Maybe yes, but honestly, I don't think so. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.